Chef Heather has joined me once again in the kitchen. What delicious treat are you making me today?
Oh, we'll be making a very traditional kapke soba with
Yeah.
fish cakes and onsen eggs.
Ooh, this sounds simple, but I feel like there's going to be a few little tricky elements in there. And you've told me these eggs, the onsen eggs, are the star of this show. Let's
Sure.
crack onto the eggs straight away, and then we can talk about all the delicious things going into this soup.
So it's a simple recipe, but you have to be accurate.
Okay.
So I have a liter of water
Yes.
on the boil,
Yes.
and then I turn the heat off, and then I'm going to add 200 mils of cold water.
Beautiful.
And this mimics the onsen hot springs.
Oh. So you're basically
yes.
telling me that the eggs are taking a trip to the day spa.
Exactly.
Fancy.
Yes.
I'd like to be the
Yes.
eggs right now.
Yeah. And then you don't want the eggs to break, so very gently.
Just lowering them in.
Lowering them in,
Beautiful.
and it's going to relax.
Yes.
It's going on a spa journey.
Beautiful.
And then very important to just close the lid.
Yep. Beautiful. And then we're just going to let that sit for how long?
12 minutes.
And while the eggs are doing their thing, having a little trip to the day spa, how do we get on to the next part of this dish?
We're going to make the dashi. So in cold water, you
Yes.
add the kombu.
Beautiful.
You can leave it overnight, or if you're rushing for time, 10 minutes.
Okay, beautiful.
In
And that's
cold
just
water.
rehydrating, so you're starting to get all the beautiful flavour out of the kombu. So that salty sea kind of
Yes.
flavour from that gorgeous seaweed.
It's all that umami from the
I
sea.
love it.
And then you bring it to a boil.
Yes.
But
Yep.
you have to take this out as soon as it comes to a boil, Laura.
Is that because it can become bitter?
Yes, and it's a bit sticky.
Okay.
And then while the kombu stock is
Yum.
boiling,
Yes.
you just add the katsuobushi into this kombu stock.
Katsuobushi is the dried bonito flakes.
Yes, that's
Yep.
right.
Yeah, and they come in the biggest packet that you've ever seen when you buy them from the Asian supermarket. They're
Yes.
huge and they last you forever. It's great.
So let that brew
Yeah.
at least for 10 minutes.
Okay, beautiful.
Or until it settles.
So I've got the Hakabaku soba noodles. So they're made here in Australia, which we absolutely love, and made with all organic ingredients. So they're good for you, and you can have them cold, you can have them hot. It's almost got that nuttiness, the
Yes.
buckwheat. So the noodle has got a really nice dense texture as well, like a really good bite, and just that extra flavour as well. The broth is just going to do its thing and basically steep away. Then we'll come back, we're going to cook the noodles, and it's really just time to season everything and bring it all together.
Yeah, that's right.
This
We
is
can go and
very
have a cup of
easy.
tea.
All right, let's do that. So Heather, you've taken the eggs out of the day spa, the onsen water, and we're going to let these sit for how long now?
3 minutes, 3 to
Beautiful.
4 minutes.
3 minutes. And then while that's happening, we can start finishing off the broth
Exactly.
and cooking the noodles.
That's right.
Yeah, beautiful. So how many noodles would you like to cook?
Probably 2 little bundles.
Yeah, beautiful.
I
One for
love
me
how-
and one for you.
Yes, yes.
Beautiful.
Yes,
I'll give
and
you
I
those.
love how they are
individually wrapped.
individually
I know.
wrapped.
It's the perfect portion size.
Exactly.
So
Yes.
handy.
So
Beautiful.
I'm going to put the soba noodles.
And one for me. So they're gonna sit, and then we'll add the broth. So you've obviously strained off all the dashi.
Yes.
So you've strained off the kombu first, then we strained off the bonito flakes, and you're gonna put that back on the heat.
Yes, that's right.
Beautiful. And then start to season.
I always put in the mirin first.
Yes.
So I'm going to add mirin. It adds the flavor as well
Yep.
as sweetness.
Yes,
I'm
beautiful.
just going to evaporate the alcohol.
Yes, yep, of course.
And some soy. And I mean, it's pretty well seasoned, but
Yep.
we probably need more
Yep.
salt.
I love salt, so I'm not gonna argue with you on this one.
Yes, and kombu and katsuobushi are from the sea.
Yes,
so
they
we
are.
need to add more sea salt.
Beautiful.
I think.
All right.
It wants to go back into the sea, so
love
we've got
it.
some salt. And that's basically it.
Beautiful.
With the dashi.
Yep.
And Laura, do you like your soba al dente?
I do. It's
I
the
do,
Italian
too.
in me. Should I give it
Yes.
a try?
Yes, could you?
These don't take long at all, which we love.
Al dente?
Perfect.
Right.
I've got a
so
bowl ready to go.
Just turn this off.
Now with the fish cakes, obviously that's already cooked, so they just sit on top and then the broth will warm them through. Is that the idea with
Yes.
the fish cakes?
Or you can actually put it in this
The
water.
broth. Would you like me to?
Yes, I think
Yeah.
so. Do you know these kamaboko fish cakes have been steamed? It's not fried. And the red and the white give you luck.
There you go. They're so beautiful, aren't they? So I'll go straight in,
Alright, straight
just
in.
to gently warm those.
That's right. Eggs.
Eggs.
Wish me luck. I
Good
need
luck.
some
Fingers crossed.
meditation from the spa. I think I need a spa right
We
now.
need a facial. That's what we need.
Okay.
All right, so crack those.
Right.
Oh, wow.
Beautiful.
That is absolutely gorgeous. We've got there's 3 eggs. Look at that, just the way that it wobbles and it
That's
just
right.
holds its shape so beautifully. And then obviously once you're gonna crack into that beautiful egg yolk, it's just gonna ooze everywhere,
Is
isn't it?
the creaminess.
Yum.
It takes you back to the alleyways of Japan.
Oh my God, I need to go to Japan. You and I, Heather, are gonna go to
Let's
Japan.
go,
That's what we're
Laura.
gonna do. I'll pop those there.
Just going to
later.
slide these onsen eggs.
Gorgeous. Heather, that looks incredible. Colourful, simple, refined, those beautiful noodles in there. I think this bowl is just asking me to just slurp away
Yes,
and enjoy
let's.
the warmth that is. Thank you
Yes,
so
I
much
think
for
we
sharing.
deserve to
We
slurp.
do. You're amazing, Heather. Thank you. So beautiful of you. Thank you.
Thanks, Laura.